Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2012 Ford Federal. And this is on the E450 chassis, powered by the Ford Triton 6.8 liter V10 engine. I'll pop the hood here for you. This also has a automatic transmission. Now this engine is kind of the industry standard for shuttle buses nowadays. Definitely a reliable engine. They pretty much all come with automatic transmissions. I don't even think you can get one with a manual anymore. But as I said, Ford Federal. This does have a co-pilot seat on it. That is more of an executive model. I'm going to show you that in a little bit. We do have 3 of these units. A little bit different. This one does have the tour style windows. Another one has our bonded windows. Show you that in a little bit. First things first, we do have an exterior passenger entrance door key. Just allows you to open and close the door from the outside if you need to. Down here, this is a ultra flooring. It's a wood look floor. Makes it look a little bit more sleek and executive. And first things first, we're going to go over the driver area. Just your Ford AM/FM CD stereo with a little aux input. Got your climate controls there for the driver. And we got some switches up here for the reading lights and the AC in the back. This does have air conditioning in it. 105,000 miles on this bad boy. A lot of life left. As far as the driver and co-pilot seats, definitely in good condition. No rips or tears, anything like that. Coming back here, so one cool thing about this Federal is you'll see these little vents. It's actually a recirculating AC, so it sucks it out and dumps it back in somewhere else. Kind of a cool little feature there. Pretty much a signature of Federal are these lights going down the side. Just makes it look a little bit sleeker. As far as the chairs, definitely a little bit better than your standard Freedman featherweight. They are reclining aisle side armrests. Definitely a nice look to those. It does have reading lights underneath every seat in case your passenger wants to enjoy a book now and again. And also an emergency roof hatch. Alright. Good. Now this bus does have seat tracking here on both the sides, so you can take seats out, move the spacing. It does have a lot of leg room there, so if you want to add seats, take out seats, do whatever, you can definitely do that. It's not a problem. Underneath here, tires are in good condition. And I'll show you underneath. There's a little bit of surface rust there, but as far as anything major or anything like that, very clean. These are local Washington buses. These are West Coast buses, which are generally what people prefer. We don't use those road salts, anything like that. Definitely an awesome part of this bus. Back tires also does have a skirt mounted condenser, sometimes on the roof, sometimes on the skirt. This one's on the skirt. That's where the AC condenser is at. This right here is our driver's side running board. Definitely more of a heavy duty one. Just adds that extra step for your driver if they need it. Makes it a little bit easier to get onto the bus. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any of the other buses on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.